Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the keyboard works outside Chrome, so you isolate the problem. Open Chrome incognito to bypass all extensions. This quickly tells you if an add-on blocks input. Once done, restart Chrome and type in the address bar and a text field. Observe behavior. If keys still fail, make sure Chrome is up to date and note whether failures are global or only on specific sites, because that guides whether you reset settings or remove an extension next. Next, you methodically isolate internal causes. Disable all extensions in one action, then enable them individually to find the culprit. This narrows the cause if incognito worked. Create a new Chrome profile and test keyboard input there. Profile corruption is a frequent silent cause. If you ever changed Chrome, //flags, reset them to defaults because experimental flags can break input handling. Make sure to sync or backup bookmarks before changes, since profiles and flags resets can alter sync data. If profile reset and extensions didn't help, fully uninstall Chrome and remove local profile data to clear stubborn corruption. Then reinstall the latest Chrome build and test keyboard input before signing into your Google account. This confirms a clean install fixed it. Once restored, sign in and let extensions or sync return selectively. If problems persist, try another keyboard or an on-screen input to rule out hardware, and check OS accessibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.